If you want to change notification volume on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then first of all we need to go to settings. Next, in the settings, choose sounds and vibration, and after that you can, for example, go to volume in order to find notification slider over here. You can move left and right to adjust it, or simply tap anywhere on the slider. You can also go to notification sound to find the volume slider as well, and if you press volume up or down button, then you can tap on these three dots on the bar at the top of it in order to open this panel, and here we can also adjust the notification volume. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!